Hello. Here we have a 10-year-old hard drive that I pulled out of a RAID array. It's pretty much dead, not quite, but almost. Didn't focus. Yep, there, 2014. And since I need to destroy the data on it, and I've already wiped it, but just to make sure, I like to take the platters out and run them through the shredder. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh yeah, this is a Torx T6. T6. So you need to take all these Torx screws out. And where's my... remove all these little seals, security seals. And since, we're going to destroy this, doesn't matter. But if it's a good one, don't open it. Oops. There's usually one under here, right about there. These things are very well made. Oh, come on, focus, focus. There we go. And there's one right there. Yep, sometimes that one's a little different size. Let's try two sizes difference. Yep. And there's still this one. Now you should just be able to pry the cover off, sealed out. There we go. We have the drive heads and the platters. And the easiest way to do this is to pry the magnet out. And remove this little spacer. Then you can, this one has a little rubber bumper. You pop that off, then that goes far enough. And you can take the screws out of the platters. I get them all? I think so. Then you can take the platters out. Oh. This one is still... The tolerances are tight. They don't come out very well. Hard to grab the pin. The magnet pulls the pliers. There we go. Okay, these are just really snug. There they come. There we go. This is in a slightly older 4 terabyte. It's got 5 platters, 10 heads, 5 discs. I think the current 4s are only 4. But this is where your data this is where the data is stored. And this is what I throw through the shredder. And then it's guaranteed nobody's ever going to be able to find out what was on here. And all this, well, fortunately, goes into electronic recycling.